Control does not always begin with force, threats, or shouting. Sometimes it starts very politely with phrases like, "I want what's best for you," or "I have more experience," or "Now is not the right time." Maybe you have felt this too. A moment in your life when, little by little, you saw that your choices no longer looked like your own wishes. There were people who placed their will on your life, knowingly or not, and you accepted it. You accepted it to keep peace, to be approved, to avoid the pain of disagreement. It was the same for her. She never lost control of her life all at once. First, she only listened. Then, she stayed silent. Then, she got used to it. They said this field has a future, and she agreed. They said this job is logical, and she continued. They said this lifestyle is right, and she adapted to it. Not because she wanted it, but because she did not want to be alone, different, or wrong. Slowly, she reached a point where other people made the important decisions in her life, and she only played the role of the person who gives the final approval. Strangely, everything seemed normal. Her life had not fallen apart. It was just no longer hers. And one day, in the middle of a completely ordinary day, she realized she was tired. Not tired of work, not tired of people, tired of continuing a life that she had never chosen. That was when a quiet and cruel truth appeared. If you do not control your life, others will do it for you. Not always because they want to hurt you, but because humans naturally try to shape the world and other people based on their own wishes and interests. From that day on, the world did not change, but she did. She understood that every time she did not say no, it was a yes to someone else's control. Every silence was a signature under someone else's decision, and every time she gave up herself, her life moved forward without her. And maybe this story is your story too. Not because you are weak, but because since childhood, you were taught to obey, not to choose. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.